If you're a Mac user tired of the chaos of overlapping windows, Moom might just be the solution you're looking for, but does it really deliver on its promises? Let's dive into what this window management app can do for you. Moom is a window management app designed specifically for Mac users, aiming to simplify the way you interact with your desktop. At its core, Moom lets you easily arrange and resize your windows using customizable controls. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to save window layouts and recall them with just a few clicks. This is particularly handy for those who juggle multiple applications at once, like designers or developers. One standout feature is the ability to create specific window arrangements that you can trigger quickly, which can save a lot of time. However, while Moom does a good job of enhancing productivity, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep initially. The app also lacks some advanced features that power users might expect, such as more extensive keyboard shortcuts or integration with other productivity tools. Overall, it feels intuitive for casual users, but may leave advanced users wanting more. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, Moom's ability to save and quickly recall window layouts is a game changer for multitaskers. The app is also visually pleasing and integrates well with macOS aesthetics, making it feel like a natural extension of your system. However, there are some frustrations. The initial setup can be a bit cumbersome, and the lack of deeper customization options may disappoint advanced users. Additionally, while Moom is reasonably priced, it's still a consideration for those on a budget. If you're someone who primarily uses a few apps at a time, you might not find it essential. But for those who thrive on multitasking, Moom could be a valuable tool. In conclusion, Moom is a solid choice for Mac users looking for a way to enhance their window management. If you frequently switch between applications and need a more organized workspace, it's worth trying out. However, if you prefer simpler solutions or don't use multiple windows often, you might want to explore other options.